See this in the middle? This one? Just to hold it. You can do it.
All the way up.
Hold it. Hold your hand. Whoop, whoop. Right. You can do it. Come on.
Almost there. Oh no!
Try again. He loves that. See, you can try this one in the middle. It's easy. Look. See? Look. Look at me. Look at me.
Wow.
I got something in there. I know that's pathetic.
Nice.
Oh my god. So heavy. Okay, let me put this in here. Man, I will try again. I don't care.
I will hold you.
No, hey, don't get behind mommy. Stay on yours. Go up yours, Danielle.
I'm so heavy.
Golly.
What?
That's just pathetic.
Pathetic.
Danielle, are you going to climb yours? Go, mommy, go.
I can't go. No, I'm heavy. When I get to that part, but up there, I can't do it. Oh, gosh. You can do it, Danielle. You can do better than me. I'm not going to try again. That's really embarrassing.
Go, baby. You're just being silly.
What? Okay, I'm doing pretty good until I get to that part I can't go. No, go.
You can do it.
You can do it. No, this one is easier. This one right here. It's very easy. The mommy can do it. Go try. No, in the middle. En el medio.
No, don't worry. Give me some sticks.
Danielle? No.
Come on, just give me some. Whoa. No, I have to try that.
Alright, you're just being silly.
I know. Oh, I got tired. I got so tired.